What's up, everybody? It's the last day with the family. Michael was working, so my parents and I went out for a walk. But now I got my dad fixing my headlights, so this is why you bring your parents into town. They help you fix your car, so you don't have to pay a mechanic to do it. You ask Joe to do it. Shout out to Joe. We're out here, Mount Bonnell. Sunset. Hit the visuals. It's the saddest moment of the whole week. Okay, to be honest, we all sat in the car just so that we have light on this. But we're gonna say goodbye. Everybody, say goodbye to the parents.
Bye.
They're
Bye,
leaving
parents.
tomorrow.
Love you.
Bye. It's just gonna be a solo mission. Michael, solo dolo.
Duo.
Duo. It's been a blast, guys.
It's been a great Thanksgiving weekend. We're gonna miss Texas.
Yo, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel every day. Every day he makes videos.
Every day. Peace out.
Bye, guys.
Yo,
Bye.
peace out. Hey, hey, gang, gang. Hey, 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 hey.